Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable auto dark mode for all websites on Google Chrome on Windows 11 or 10 PC. In Google Chrome browser, you can now force every website to load in dark mode regardless of their theme or color. For this, you need to enable auto dark mode for web contents. That is an experimental feature that is designed to automatically apply a dark theme to websites that does not support dark mode natively. For this, first open Chrome browser on your Windows PC, and in the address bar you need to type chrome colon slash slash flags. After typing this one, press enter on the keyboard. This will open Google Chrome Flags window. In the search flags, type dark. You will see an option auto dark mode for web contents. Click on this one drop down menu and here select enabled option to enable dark mode for all the websites that you visit in Google Chrome browser, and then click on this one restart button to apply the changes. Once Chrome opens, open a new tab and visit any website. It will automatically load in dark mode regardless of the theme color